Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 357 Cobbs Hill Drive in Rochester.
This is a spectacular dream home on a premier and rare double lot adjacent to Cobbs Hill Park, nature's paradise.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This classic main covered entry is the hallmark of this special home, featuring a leaded glass fan light over the door leading to a traditional vestibule, and stunning foyer with diamond light fixtures, crown molding, hardwood oak floors, and a beautiful custom staircase. Open to a spacious living room with a leaded glass bay window, a marble surround fireplace with a richly wood panel mantel and built-ins, leading to a library or office with French doors to the patio.
This gourmet white and bright kitchen is perfect for entertaining. Featuring wood cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, an artistic breakfast bar, and a vaulted ceiling dining and sitting area. All with tile floors, patio access, and a wall of windows with scenic views. Plus an adjacent formal dining room with crown molding, hardwood floors, and a leaded glass bay window. This exceptional home keeps impressing with a second entryway with a staircase, a wet bar with a copper sink, a first floor primary suite with a full bathroom, and a great room featuring a bay window, a brick fireplace, random width opaque floors, and a wall of windows with patio access and park views.
The spectacular upstairs provides 6 bedrooms for all your family and guests, featuring hardwood floors, leaded glass windows, and built-ins. Enough room for an office or art room to create your next masterpiece. Plus 3 beautiful bathrooms and a laundry, including this deluxe primary suite with a fireplace, an ultimate walk-in closet and dressing room, a stunning spa bathroom with heated floors, and a balcony overlooking the scenic backyard in Cobbs Hill Park.
This expansive slate patio features multiple entertainment areas, overlooking the private backyard, landscaped to perfection with beautiful stone walls and steps. This is truly nature's paradise.
This special property is located in a neighborhood of fine homes, adjacent to over 100 acres of Cobbs Hill Park.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 357 Cobbs Hill Drive in Rochester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!